Okay, 1928 yacht, classic Yacht Euphemia. I'm doing a little test with the turbo removed. So right now I've just been running for about 10 minutes. I'm doing 7.8 knots at 720 RPM. Gear pressure is 339, which is spot on. The engine coolant temperature is 100, which is great, maybe a little bit warm. And then the oil pressure is 48, maybe a little bit low. And I'm going to check that out. But I'm doing my 7.4 knots at 700 and something RPM, which is just what I would have done with the turbo anyway. But I don't kick the turbo in. I wouldn't have kicked the turbo in until about 900 RPM. So this is doing quite well. Oh, my Navionics just quit on me. So I'm going to do two tests, one at 7 knots, and then I'm going to try to ramp it up into the what would have been the turbo zone and see what happens. But right now I'm going to go back, check for exhaust. And there's absolutely no smoke that I can see coming out the back end right now. The engine does definitely run smooth. So now we're going to check the engine compartment, and I'm going to see if there's any smoke in here. Absolutely no smoke. And the exhaust elbow is at 135 Celsius. So at 7 knots, I'm doing good. Okay, so I bumped the RPM up to 900. There we go. That gets me into the 8 knot range. Engine coolant temp steady at 95. Engine oil pressure pretty steady at 48. So let's see what's going on inside the engine compartment. Now, it's only been at this speed for a minute or two, so. No exhaust. So no exhaust, a little steam coming off the wet exhaust, and the exhaust elbow was at, I think it was 195 Celsius. Let's see what's going on at the back end. I don't know if there's any exhaust here at all. It doesn't seem like it. Nothing worth noting anyway. I would say that's a positive. And so I'm going to run it like this for a little while just to see if it heats up any more than there already is. But it looks like I can cruise at 8 knots, 900 RPM. I'm not sure what my fuel efficiency is like right now. So I see no change in my cruising behavior running this boat without a turbo, because I never ran it hard anyway. But now I can run it hard, not worry about the turbo, and blow a little carbon out of it, I suppose. But this would be my cruising. My cruising speed, RPM and speed are the same. And it's smooth. The engine's ticking along smoothly.